Let's learn English through short conversations, vocabulary, and listening questions. Today, we're talking about how to prepare for a summer vacation. Let's get started.
Preparing for the summer trip.
Honey, we need to start packing for our summer trip. Have you made a list of things to bring?
I haven't yet, but I'll make one today. What do you think we should bring?
Well, we need clothes for both hot weather. I'll pack some light shirts.
Good idea. Don't forget sunscreen and hats for the sun. We'll be outside a lot.
Right, I will get them. We also need to bring toiletries like shampoo, toothpaste, and soap.
I think the hotel will provide them, right?
It's always better to be prepared.
Fine. I'll take care of the electronics then, like the camera and chargers. Oh, and we need a travel adapter too.
Good thinking. I'll also bring some books and snacks for the journey.
Darling, last time you got really dizzy when you read books on the car, remember?
Oops, you are right, honey, my books will have to stay at home. But I will not leave the snacks.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Toiletries. Items used for personal hygiene, like soap, toothpaste, shampoo, etc. Sunscreen. A lotion or spray that protects the skin from the sun's harmful rays. Travel adapter. A device that allows you to use your electronics in different countries with different plug types. Your listening question is: what will the wife prepare for the trip? Answer: she will prepare clothes for hot weather, sunscreen, hats, toiletries, and snacks. Planning places to go.
So, we have 5 days for our upcoming trip. I think we should make a list of fun places to go, or else I cannot remember them all.
Sounds good. What places should we visit?
I think we should go to the beach on the first day. We can relax there.
I like the beach, but I want to go hiking on the second day.
Hiking is fun, but how about a city tour on the third day?
A city tour sounds good, but I want to go to a theme park too.
Fine, let's go to a theme park on the third day, and a city tour on day 4. Is that okay?
Great. What about the last day?
For the last day, let's visit a famous place. Maybe the city's famous statue? I would love to take some photos there.
I like that. It sounds fun.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Beach. A sandy area near the sea. Hiking. Walking in nature, usually on a trail or mountain. Theme park. An amusement park with rides and games. Your listening question is: what does the sister suggest for the last day of the trip? Answer: she suggests visiting the city's famous statue. Discussing who to invite.
Honey, for our summer trip, do you think we should invite my sister and her kids to join us?
I don't know. I was hoping it would just be the two of us. We need some time alone.
I understand, but it's been a while since we've all been together. It would be fun.
I get that, but you know how loud the kids can be? Her kids and ours. There will be 5 kids running around. It might be stressful.
True, but we can plan some moments for ourselves. We can still enjoy it when my sister watches the children. Is that okay, honey?
Alright, if we invite them, we need to make sure we also have some time for just us. Maybe we can take a day for ourselves?
That sounds like a good idea. We'll spend a day alone, and the rest of the time they can join us.
Okay, I'll agree to that. It'll be fun, as long as we get some peaceful time too.
Great, I'll talk to my sister.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Alone. Without anyone else, by yourself. Stressful. Something that makes you feel worried or anxious. Peaceful. Quiet and calm, without any disturbance. Your listening question is: what does the husband want during the trip? Answer: he wants some peaceful time alone with his wife. Preparing snacks.
Honey, come prepare some snacks for the trip with me. We'll need chips, fruit, and maybe some cookies.
I'm coming, Mom. Oh, can we avoid peanut snacks? I'm allergic to peanuts.
Of course, how can I forget? We won't bring any peanuts. I'll make sure to check the labels.
Thanks, Mom. Can we also bring some chocolate for Dad? He loves it.
Good boy. I'll pack some chocolate for him. How about some granola bars, too?
Granola bars are great. And maybe some crackers? They're so yummy.
Yes, we'll add those. We need to make sure we have enough for the whole trip.
I'll help pack the snacks in the bag.
Thanks, baby. I'll finish preparing the fruit. We're all set.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Peanuts. A type of nut that some people are allergic to. Granola bar. A snack made from oats, nuts, and sweeteners, often in bar form. Allergic. Having a strong reaction to something, like food or pollen. Your listening question is: what snack does the mother plan to bring for the father? Answer: she plans to bring chocolate for the father. Discussing transportation.
Baby, how should we get to our holiday destination? Should we fly or drive there?
I think flying would be more comfortable. We won't be tired and we can relax.
I get that, but driving would give us more freedom. We can stop anywhere we want and explore the area.
That's true, but it could take much longer, and we'll get tired from driving.
Hey, I will be the one who drives, not you, but you have a good point.
And what if the weather is bad, or we get stuck in traffic?
You're right. Maybe we should fly to the city, but rent a car when we get there.
That sounds like a good plan. We get the best of both worlds.
Exactly. Let's do that then.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Transportation. The way people travel, such as by car, plane, or train. Freedom. The ability to do what you want without restrictions. Rent. To pay money to use something for a short time, like a car or house. Your listening question is: what transportation method do they decide to use for their trip? Answer: they decide to fly to the city and rent a car when they get there. Planning outdoor activities.
Hey kiddo, we are going to a beach this summer. What outdoor activities do you want to do?
I want to try surfing. I've seen it in movies, and it looks really fun.
Wow, surfing sounds exciting, but we'll need some lessons first. Are you ready for that?
Yes, I think I can do it. What else can we do?
Well, we can also go swimming, build sandcastles, and play beach volleyball.
I love beach volleyball. Can we also rent a bike and ride along the beach?
That's a great idea. We can rent bikes and explore the coastline.
And can we go fishing too? I've never tried it before.
Sure, we can try fishing. Just so you know, Mommy is great at cooking fish.
This sounds like the best vacation ever. I can't wait.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Surfing. The activity of riding on waves on a surfboard. Beach volleyball. A game played on the sand with a ball and two teams. Coastline. The land along the edge of the sea. Your listening question is: what new activity does the son want to try on the trip? Answer: he wants to try surfing.
What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.